Bowling Alley by Kate and Maddie. Hi, I'm Kale.
And I'm Chippy the Chipmunk.
This is a huge room.
Yeah, it is.
Ah! Who are you?
How are you?
I asked you first.
Fine, I'm Chippy, but you can call me Chip. Now what's your name?
My name's Kaylin, but you can call me Kale.
So how'd you get in here?
Well, you can kind of say that I kind of got a little sidetracked, and I wandered away from my family, and I kind of got lost. I heard something here and thought it could be my family.
Oh,
What are you? I mean, how'd you get in here? And also, kind of, what are you? Not to be offensive or anything.
I was playing and I got lost and snuck in through that window over there. And by the way, I'm a chipmunk. What are you?
I'm a pine marten. What's that black shiny thing on that tall ledge?
I think it might be a phone. Let's go investigate.
Good idea.
Here it is.
Wait, is that a BlackBerry?
Yeah, it's the one that was invented by Michael Zardes. I'm pretty sure he was Canadian. I think the BlackBerry was invented to make communication easier for many people to communicate. From texting the World Wide Web, people could easily interact with each other.
Oh, what are all those little numbers?
I think that's the numbers used to call or text.
I'm going to explore.
Don't go very far away if you don't want to get lost.
Chip, come check this out.
What is it?
It's an egg carton. They were invented in 1911 by Joseph Coyle. I think he was a Canadian. He invented the egg carton to keep eggs from cracking.
Want to go tobogganing?
With what?
With that.
No, wait, I found something even more entertaining. That thing.
What thing? Wow, is that five-pin bowling? I think they were invented in 1909 by Thomas Bryant, the Canadian. That was 2 years before the egg carton.
We should probably go investigate, but we should probably find our parents. I'm going to miss you. You're a great friend. And maybe we'll get lost and find each other again.
I'll miss you too. Bye.
Bye.
Maybe I'll see you tomorrow?
I don't know how I'm going to find my family.